Welcome to Darkagegrowing. Today's video is all about sunchokes. Sunchokes, a member of the sunflower family, are also known as Jerusalem artichokes. Unlike sunflowers, though, they're known for their edible roots and not their seeds. Over the course of the season, they will grow to astonishing heights. These ones here are about 10 foot tall. They are approximately the same height as my mammoth sunflower plants, which I got started late in the season. As a native to North America, they are astonishingly adapted to the climate here, being able to grow back from their tubers year after year and spread quite well in almost any climate zone. Each plant in good soil and with proper watering will produce pounds of tubers, which can be a great substitute for potatoes in most recipes, able to be boiled and mashed, or sauteed, or roasted, or even eaten raw, which potato can't be. In a future video, I will be digging more of these and replanting them in another bed where I want them to grow next year. Please subscribe for more garden tips and tricks. And know that with sunchokes especially, growing food in challenging times doesn't have to be difficult.